Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it's July 21st, and we're going to do the hashtag jelly postcard play challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So here's our postcard. Here's the jelly print that we're going to use, and let's get it put on. The requirement was just a piece of jelly print. You know, it didn't have to be a whole jelly print, but I'm finding that with using these postcards that I am using, the jelly print as the background is working. It's working just great. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, this one has some Timmy people on it. These little ladies. And I'll just give them a little of that. And then I've got a couple other little pieces from Tim Holtz here that we're going to just need to do a little bit of distressing around the edges. I mean, it's not a Tim Holtz project without distressing, would you say? Okay, so I want them on here. I want this, I guess, right about there, so we can put them on. I'm going to use art glitter glue for my little ladies because they are a heavier cardstock, so they'd probably stay with glue stick, but I'm taking no chances. Okay. So there you little ladies go. And these are cardstock as well. I'm just going to use the art glitter glue today. Just going to make sure things stick down. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. And then this little piece down here, like that. Okay, and then I'll put on the 21. One. Okay. And there we have it. There is July 21st. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.